Okay, let's go. I'm going to drive now. So, I'm going. Kaya na ba to? Let's go. Drive with me, guys. So, this is my new vlog. Char lang. Ganyan. Okay. So, we're going to church. Hi, babe. Parang live. Okay, para akong nahirapan. Di maabot yung pa. So I'm going to pick up my friend to going to church. So if you have say it stop, you must stop. So I must stop. My teacher teach me that like that, left and right. Never before, oh my soul, worship your holy name. So, kala mo na, yayaman yan. Tapos wala itong pag-aswerte. Ay, marunong na ako mag-try! Yay! Okay, here I am. So, see you later, guys.